The ultimate fudgy brownie guide. I know you want to know the secret to creating the best fudgy brownies ever, and guess what? You shall receive that too in mini eggs version, since we all love mini eggs. I see a lot of people always trying to use milk chocolate, which is absolutely incorrect. You have to use dark chocolate. That is the only way you'll get a fudgy brownie. You also want to use dark brown sugar and not light brown sugar. Dark brown sugar has more molasses, and this enhances the flavor and moisture of the brownies. Avoid using any type of self-raising flour. Use plain flour instead, and add in the baking soda, powder and salt yourself. It makes the biggest difference. To prevent the brownies from sticking, always line the bottom with some vegetable oil. You cannot miss this step. Also, would you ever be interested in receiving these or any other postal bakes by Zoha? Let me know in the comments below. It's something I have been thinking about, but it does depend on the demand. When you are baking these, bake them for only 40 minutes, no longer than that, and let the brownies rest for 1 hour, and then place them in the fridge for a couple of hours, and yeah, thank me later. Dice these up and you will literally find the most fudgiest, best brownies ever. This makes a great base recipe, literally the fudgiest brownie ever, and super delicious.
Something so out of the ordinary. How are you laying me down to a dead and buried on the edge of your night, staying drunk on your vine. The